I'm glad that you came to the Galaxy Railways headquarters, Clinchfield, to help us with a few freight and passenger work. I'm glad you came to here to help us. I'm always doing what a friend does, Big One. Helping others is what I do. Hello there, I'm Clint. Do you think I honestly care what your name is? I've been working around here non-stop, and it's a good thing General Varnov is sent off to prison after all what he did. I'm glad that guy is gone. And for all I know, he deserved it. I was only trying to introduce myself. You didn't have to cut me off like that. Oh, be quiet, you huge giant. No, Henry. That is no way to talk to my friend like that. Big One, he's a trespasser. He's not supposed to be here. He's a friend of mine, Henry. Just go sort my coaches out, please. No! Henry, just do it. Fine. Big One? Who was that? Oh, that was our switcher engine of the Galaxy Railways. His name is Henders, but we call him Henry for short because it's a nickname. I see. Is he always like that? Grumpy and a little rude? Yeah, for all as I can remember. He was brought in to help with the switching duties for sorting out freight cars and passenger coaches. He's still young and he's still full of his own ideas. He's always happy when he tries to get out of the yard and pull a train. He just wants to pull a train, but he's usually assigned to short line freight. I see. Have you kept a good eye on him? Yeah, I have. It won't be until he has an accident. Young engines always learn their lesson the hard way sometimes.